Tabletop holds. If you've got tight shoulders, give tabletops a try. The tabletop helps to stretch the forearms, biceps and pecs while also strengthening the rear delts, rhomboids and mid-trapezius muscles. Changing the position of the hands targets different muscle fibres, so it's best to explore all three hand positions. Here's how it works. Start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, roughly hip width apart. Place your hands beside your hips. You can choose to point the fingers back, point them to the sides, or even point them forward. Each position offers its benefits and targets slightly different muscle fibres. Choose one or experiment with all three. No matter which hand placement you choose, start by lifting your chest and pulling your shoulder blades back and down. Be proud. You must keep your arms straight for the entire set. It can be helpful to twist your hands into the floor towards your pinky fingers. This creates shoulder external rotation and helps to keep the elbows locked. Next, lift your hips off the floor to be in line with your shoulders and knees. You must become the table. As you lift your hips, brace your abdominals by pulling the rib cage down towards the pelvis. You must also set a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs. Once in the tabletop, actively pinch your shoulder blades behind your back to increase the stretch on the pecs and biceps while strengthening the back muscles. Hold the tabletop for the prescribed time. This can be anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds in each hand position. Although it looks like a simple movement, it greatly benefits shoulder health and performance. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.